All right, guys, today we are inside the 2025 Passport 253RD. So this one's a rear dining unit. You have the nice large dinette in the back. You got the U-shaped dinette. One thing I really like about this table's actually movable. So you can pull that out all the way. You could set it over in front of your sofa, or you could take it outside for a picnic or anything like that. But it does also let down and makes a bed. So I know she just panned over here, but here is your theater seating. So you got your cup holders there. You can set that up. Also have a little extra seating storage down here. So you got your little storage spot for, remotes and that kind of thing. We'll go ahead and go across. You notice your TV is straight across from your theater seating. One thing I like about the Passports too is they actually do these wood surrounds around the window. It gives you a true block out of the sunlight or moonlight at night. You pull your shade down. This blocks out that side light that comes through the sides sometimes. Plenty of cabinet storage here. So this one also has the 3-burner stovetop along with the oven. So a lot of them are going away from the ovens, but you do have the oven in here also, along with your microwave and an actual exhaust fan. So that will pull some of that steam out of there for you. You've got your nice large farm sink, so deep sink, really nice. You can pull that out. You got all your controls. Got your countertop that flips up here, so it gives you a little extra counter space, along with your refrigerator on this side. So you got really nice size refrigerator, freezer combo there. And then your pantry's right next to it. So you got adjustable shelves in there for all your food or linens. We'll go on through the pass-through bathroom here. So this one's got that mid-bathroom. I always think that gives it a little extra space. You got large shower surround there. So with the full shower surround, porcelain toilet. So great quality there, along with a medicine cabinet on the wall. So with that medicine cabinet, it does give you a little extra storage in there too. Every little bit counts. And then nice size counter space in here. On through into the bedroom, you do have the queen size bed. Of course, you got wardrobe storage on both sides. So you got some hanging storage there. Large nightstands on both sides. So if you need a CPAP, anything like that, you got the space. And then you'll notice you got a little cubby back here in the back too. So it's a nice place to charge phones. You got a hole you can go down to the plug-ins. And then, of course, your under bed storage, you'll notice that is aluminum framed. So it gives a nice, solid platform. All right, so that is the inside. We'll head on out and take a look. All right, guys, we're on the outside now. I'm going to go ahead and point out a few things up front here. Of course, you got your power tongue jack, 2 20-pound LP tanks. It will come with those, also filled. We're going to put a brand new battery on the front for you, of course. As we walk on back, you will notice you got large pass-through storage there. This one does come equipped with some solar on board, so you got the solar controller over there. It's going to be enough to power your refrigerator, things like that, which is a great feature as you're traveling down the road. You've got your nice solid surface steps, so a lot more sturdy, going in and out, along with your handle up here to grab a hold of. And it's got the dual entry. So you got the entry into the bedroom. You've also got the entry into the kitchen area. The reason they do that, it gives you access to your bathroom or your refrigerator if you're pulling off the side of the road. Of course, you got your tandem axle here with the TPMS system already on board. So that tire pressure monitoring system. TV mount right here. If you want to mount a TV onto the outside of the unit, you can do that. Plug it in, hook it up to cable either way. Up top, full power length awning. That thing's huge, goes down the whole length of the trailer with the LED light underneath. And then you've got the JBL outdoor speakers, so the marine grade speakers. We will go ahead and pass on back here to the back. You will notice it does have the power leveling jacks too, or power stabilizer jacks also. So that's a nice feature. And then you got full ladder access with that walkable roof, walkable slides, so you can get up there, maintain the unit, and then a full-size spare on the back. So yeah, this is the 2025 Passport 253RD. Last one we got. It's still part of the 2025, gone in a flash sale. So come on out and see me. Ask for Ricky. I'd love to show this one to you.